Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss about Amazon's online assessment. And recently I have completed this assessment, so you can actually see what are the notes are written on this email. So please note that candidates who have applied for a job and completed an equivalent assessment test on HirePro within the last 6 months will be considered. So let me tell you what happened in this assessment. I will go one by one, and I will start with the application process to getting the assessment and completing it. And also, if you have applied on HirePro test, then what will be the results, I will tell you. So stay tuned in the video, and also subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram, so that you can get the updates according to the required assessments. If you like my videos, then do share it. Okay, so let's get started. So recently, around 3 weeks ago, I have applied for a role in Amazon, and it was an investigation specialist role. And I was not expecting any assessment, to be honest, because I have applied multiple times and every time I got rejection. But the recent link I got from one of my WhatsApp channels that I follow, the link was really working, and it gave me an assessment within 3 weeks. So yeah, the link was quite good working. So if you want the link, you have to comment. I will provide the link in the description or in the comment sections in the next video. Okay, so firstly I will discuss the section wise questions I attempted. And let me tell you one thing: if you are applying, and if you have applied earlier, then please please note it down that you have to prepare for the assessment, and the assessment asks you questions from quantitative aptitude, numerical ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Okay, so you have to prepare these sections before the assessment. Okay, what I made mistake is that I have not prepared for the assessment. I was just set, I got the assessment and the link is valid for two days, so I gave the assessment within the 2 days without any preparation. But I want you to be prepared for the assessment, and the topics I am suggesting are the original topics from which Amazon was asking the questions. So you have to prepare those topics. Those topics are must to prepare. Okay, so let me tell you about HirePro. So HirePro is an assessment platform, and different companies and MNCs use this platform to provide assessments to the candidates. Okay, so recently I have completed an assessment on HirePro, and my assessment got rejected. So that's why maybe I got the link, or I don't know whether they will consider my previous score or not. But what I think is that my previous assessment got rejected, so this one is maybe considered. Now let me tell you about the questions they asked. So in most of the HirePro assessments, the questions will be from quantitative aptitude, numerical ability, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. So in the quantitative aptitude, please note down the sections which I am going to tell you. You have to prepare averages, percentages, profit and loss, and simple interest, compound interest, and the other topic is speed, time, and distance, and train questions like train speed questions. Okay, so these were the topics which I faced in the assessment. And in the numerical ability, they basically give you a graph based data. You have to read the data, and the questions, they ask you 3 questions from the given data. Like they will provide you a bar chart or a scatter chart, and you have to read that data and you have to answer it. So what I want you to tell is that you have to actually practice this question to solve in mind without any pen and paper. You have to practice it at least 1 month. At least 1 month you have to rigorously practice those questions to attempt the maximum possible number of questions correct. All right, so yeah, I was discussing that you have to prepare the topics like averages, profit and loss, percentages, and simplification, basic arithmetic basically. And also you have to prepare the data based questions, and you have the practice, you need to practice it in solving in your mind without using any pen and paper, because the HirePro assessments are so strict. They are online proctored, and never use any cheating method in the assessment. All right, this is a tip from my side. Next is reasoning. So in the logical reasoning, they usually ask questions like a person is sitting behind a person, and the person is sitting a left person, like the sitting arrangement questions, and direction based questions, and father, mother, son blood relation questions. So these were the questions in the reasoning section. In each section there will be 15 questions, so you have to prepare for all the questions solving in your mind. You are not allowed to use any pen and paper. Okay, after logical reasoning and after numerical ability, quantitative aptitude, you have the last section which is called verbal ability. And the verbal ability, they usually ask question usually from grammar. You have to correct the sentence. They ask you questions like they will give you sentence, first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, and each sentence is a part of a big sentence. Okay, and you have to either make it in a correct order, either you have to provide a correct order, or you have to mention which part of the sentence is wrong. All right, and they usually ask question unseen passage also. So yes, you can prepare it. according to me, the verbal ability section was the easiest section, and the logical reasoning section was quite easy. But the quantitative aptitude section was not that easy to solve in mind. According to me, I required pen and paper to solve, but yeah, I tried my best. So these were the questions I got in the assessment. And after completing the assessment, till now I have not received any update yet. But if you want the link and if you want to prepare, so you can use this video as a reference, and you can ask me to get the link. You have to comment that you need the link, I will provide it. Even it doesn't matter what is your background, you just have to apply, you will get the link of the assessment. You, as I said, prepare quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, numerical ability, and logical reasoning. You will be able to score good in the test, and then I hope you will get a reply very soon. So let's wait for the next response. And yes, it would be a pleasure to help you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want helps in assessment and you want to clear assessments, you can subscribe my channel, because I provide assessment reviews which I have completed. Till now I have completed 20 plus assessments. So yes, you can get selected in 20 plus companies only by subscribing this channel, because I will provide you actual review and the actual update time the company give you the assessment. So yes, recently I have applied to multiple companies and I got the assessment, so I will also try to provide you the correct link as well. So you need to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and till then, keep growing and keep learning.